Orders for emergency evacuations can be sudden and leave people at a loss of what to do, which can lead to panic. Bettering Emergency Evacuation, or B for short, is our solution to help assist people during evacuations by providing an application that can give them relevant information from emergency managers through the use of three vital components: the web application, the mobile application, and the web server.
Hi, my name is Curtis Chung, and I am in charge of the development of the web application. Currently, the web application serves as the middleman of communication between the mobile application and the web server. The main purpose of the web application is for the emergency managers to have an interface to better plan for emergency situations. They will have a tool at their disposal to see all the information regarding the current emergency situation and can better plan evacuation routes or how they will respond to the emergency situations. The web application has 5 main tools. They are able to zoom in and out of the map. They can draw routes with the line tool. They can mark zones with the polygon tool. They can mark points of interest with the marker tool. And they can edit any of these points of interest, zones, or routes. When we create any of these polygons or lines marked as zones or areas, these are sent directly to the main web server where the mobile application can retrieve the data of dangerous/safe zones, points of interest, or routes. When any of the areas are created with any of the tools, a report icon will appear in the middle of the screen, asking the emergency manager to mark it as a safe or not safe zone, as well as asking for more details on the marker. We are now going to talk about the main component of the Beef project, which is the mobile application developed by Stone Shaw. When we first open the mobile application, it will begin in a wide view of the current map of the world. Once you press the gold button on the bottom right corner, it will then track your location and zoom into wherever that location is. The mobile application will then view your nearby area, which in this case is in Reno, Nevada. The mobile application also has the functionality to mark specific points of interest on the map and send them to the web server. This functionality performs similarly to the web application's functionality. The mobile application has the ability to retrieve evacuation routes from the web server. These evacuation routes are retrieved when the web application creates and sends routes to the web server. When a route is requested, the route is built with a line from the geometry coordinates stored in the JSON in the web server. When a user is in an emergency situation, the mobile application will prompt the user to make themselves as safe or not safe. When doing so, this information is stored in your evacuee information. When the user then sets their evacuee information, the info of them being safe or not safe is sent, along with their current location, to the web server.
I'm Sam, and I'll be talking about the backend for Project B. The backend consists of two components, a web server and a database. The web server is written in Java and makes extensive use of the Spring Boot REST API to handle communications between the mobile application and the web application. The server is hosted by Heroku and also houses the database. The database is written in PostgreSQL and consists of 7 tables which store the data created by the applications. Communication between the database and the server is facilitated by the Java Database Connectivity API and Spring Boot's Bean functionality.
You deserve the best information for your safety. Prepare yourself today with Bettering Emergency Evacuation. Bettering Emergency Evacuation is a CS 426 senior project in computer science, developed in 2020 through 2021 in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering at the University of Nevada, Reno.